Good morning. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Yeah, when I'm no longer speaking from the soul and all I'm saying is wit, yeah, that'll be the day that I quit. Until then I'll be scribbling when I converse, chasing publishing, struggling on the job search, looking for licks and writing rhymes like I'm cooking up bricks. Meaning not to say, knowing I'ma have to make a different niche. Ain't no pension in this rapping, ain't no promises made, ain't no health insurance for me once it washes away. But hey, I didn't start rapping for making the buzz. Can't complain about a labor of love, I'm still here. I'm growing with the folks I started with, they're still near. Plus the verses I record got a purpose that's still clear. And yeah, we all want the fame, household names, and a little recognition for killing it in the game. Yet even the heights of glory could...
Я хочу поблагодарить ребят из компании Renegade за то, что они прислали вот такой вот красивый боди-кит, который мы поставили на этот автомобиль.
Да, спасибо, ребята, огромное. Теперь у меня будет самая модная тачка в LA, безусловно, благодаря Славе, благодаря моему мужу, Renegade.
Folks I started with, they're still near. Plus the verses I record got a purpose that's still clear. And yeah, we all want the fame, household names, and a little recognition for killing it in the game. Yet even the heights of glory couldn't constitute a whole person.